Hey guys, little 10 a.m. fault video, 10:07. I don't know if any of you guys are still holding ALVR. I am not. This is a IPO, recent IPO, low of 18.15. It's been doing nothing but kind of grinding higher. Let's not get caught in the breaking the high of 28.98 for everybody rushing in to buy it. But this does look interesting as it continues to grind higher. I have not traded that today. Just wanted to point it out. Netflix. We still have that target price of $5.15. I don't know if you guys got in at $4.70, where we liked it at and said that was the support level because it hit $4.70. What did we hit the other day? We hit below $4.70. We hit $4.60s, and I got some shares. I did sell a little bit just now. There we go. 4.67s. So still looking for 5.15. We're well on our way. We're in the 5.08s. Maybe getting a little channel stretched here on the RSI. So not opposed to taking a little off the table in the 5.07s, 5.08s, and then trying to come back in the 5.05s. Every day is different. SPY pushing through my top side SPY target, which was intraday 328.60. Let's see if it holds. It's punching up through 329, so it's breaking through some little area that I was looking at for resistance, which is positive. We could go back up and tag the top channel intraday, which would be 330.50. That's not completely out of the question. And SRNE continues to power up, man. This one is looking good. Hopefully you guys are still in this one. Looking really positive on SRNE. Continue to like that one as well. Then DPHC was another one that I pointed out this morning. Hopefully you guys got a little trade out of that one. Intraday pullback along the VWAP, and I did trade this one several times, scalping it already this morning. And let me see if we can pull up the intraday. And why is this giving me such a hard time? 1 minute chart, and you'll see this has been a lot of buying on weakness on DPHC. We saw it yesterday, and we're seeing it again today. So super interesting chart on this one, back above the VWAP and breaking higher. So hopefully you guys made some money on those two trades. Mosaic, actually, this is an oldie and goldie. Looking strong after earnings report. Here's the 1 year. More wiggle room to the upside. And a little bit of a breakout here. Let's look at this on the daily chart. And you can see we are pushing through the 200-day exponential moving average, which we have not done in, holy cow, probably 2 years. On Mosaic. So interesting stuff in the market. Wow, more than 2 years maybe. We haven't been above the 200-day moving average on Mosaic in, over a year and a half. Interesting. And we are back above it. Let's see if it holds. That's really interesting on Mosaic. So this thing's been weak forever. Target price could be in the 17s and 18s on this one. Nice looking chart. Getting a little overbought. I mean, this never gets into the high RSI, which is on some aspects bullish. We like to see high RSIs. We still have a little bit of wiggle room though. Interesting move on Mosaic based off earnings. I guess they crushed the number. So a couple things to look at there. What else do we have? I don't know if you guys are holding. I still have a little bit of MEG. I kind of like this one, this environmental company for the long term. It made a run at that other all-time high that we saw. It's only traded for, I think, 7 trading sessions as an IPO. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're on the 9th trading day. So it probably needs a little bit more sideways action. You could actually pull back down into the low 22s. But another one that looks like it's pushing in the blue sky territory. Interesting moves on ones that we like. And we'll keep an eye on that one as well. EVOFM, EVFM earnings came out, not so great, but they got a pass. Stock's hardly down. It was in the 290s, and now it's kind of pushing back up high. I didn't really like the numbers, but whatever. We're looking more for how the data reports in September on Phexi, their contraceptive drug, more than what they're doing on earnings now. The loss was a little bit higher than we thought. And then ATHE, really not too much fall through on the news. Red candle. I had a couple thousand shares of this, and I sold, I only had 300 left. I sold 100 in pre-market, and then now they're just kind of fading it. So not too enthusiastic on the news about their Parkinson's related drug with animal testing, but who knows? The day's still early. The big money might be waiting to jump on this one, so just keep an eye on ATHE. Maybe we add the VWAP and kind of see if it makes a run at the VWAP. It's trying to hold this little channel right here right now, but it looks kind of weak. There's nearly no real bullish RSI relativity, and we're just still kind of under on the MACD, trying to figure out which way this goes. But let's see. It might have a little bit more oomph left into it. We did get a little bit of a bull flag spike, but then it gave it up. I don't like to see that, and we'll go from there.